Most people think hacking requires dark rooms, expensive laptops, hoodies pulled over faces, and illegal software downloaded from hidden corners of the internet. But the truth is far more surprising and far more relevant to everyday people. Right now on the Google Play Store, the same place people download games, banking apps, and social media platforms, there are powerful tools used daily by ethical hackers, penetration testers, cybersecurity students, and IT professionals around the world. These apps are not illegal. They are not shortcuts. And they definitely don't hack with one tap. Instead, they expose something much deeper and far more uncomfortable: how fragile and vulnerable our digital systems really are when security is ignored. In this video, we break down the top 5 hacking apps on the Play Store right now, how they work at a high level, what they are actually used for in professional environments, and why understanding them is critical for protecting your phone, your network, and your digital identity. This is education, not instruction. This is awareness, not encouragement. Welcome to Cybercrime Hub. Number 5. Hacker's Keyboard. At first glance, Hacker's Keyboard looks completely harmless. It's just a keyboard, no flashy interface, no warnings, no suspicious branding. But for cybersecurity professionals and developers, this simple app is a serious productivity and access tool. Unlike standard mobile keyboards designed mainly for texting and emojis, Hacker's Keyboard provides full-function keys found on desktop keyboards, Control, Alt, and Escape keys, accurate arrow key navigation, a layout optimized for terminal and command line work. Why does this matter? Many ethical hacking, system administration, and programming tasks rely heavily on precise terminal commands. On regular mobile keyboards, typing these commands accurately is frustrating and error-prone. Hacker's Keyboard turns a smartphone into a portable command interface, commonly used by developers working remotely, system administrators managing servers, cybersecurity students, learning Linux, ethical hackers practicing in lab environments. It doesn't hack anything by itself, but it removes barriers, and that's powerful. This highlights an important truth in cybersecurity. Sometimes hacking starts with access, not attacks. Number 4. Wi-Fi Analyzer. Wi-Fi Analyzer is one of the most misunderstood apps available on the Play Store. Many people assume it exists to crack Wi-Fi passwords or spy on neighbors. That assumption is completely wrong. Wi-Fi Analyzer is designed to scan nearby wireless networks, measure signal strength and stability, detect channel congestion and overlap, identify weak or outdated configurations. Cybersecurity professionals and network engineers use it to secure home and office Wi-Fi setups, detect rogue or unauthorized access points, improve network speed and reliability, spot routers using weak encryption standards. Here's the uncomfortable reality. Most users who analyze their Wi-Fi discover that it uses outdated encryption protocols, broadcasts unnecessary identifying data, can be disrupted or interfered with easily. Not because of hackers, but because of poor configuration and lack of awareness. Wi-Fi Analyzer doesn't create vulnerabilities, it simply reveals what was already there. Number 3. FING Network Tools. FING is one of the most powerful network discovery and visibility tools available to the general public. With a single scan, FING can reveal every device connected to your network, device names and manufacturers, open ports and services, network changes over time, potentially suspicious connections. This is the app that causes people to pause and ask, why is there a device on my Wi-Fi that I don't recognize? Ethical hackers, IT administrators, and security teams use FING for network auditing and mapping, early intrusion detection, asset and device inventory, security awareness training. For regular users, FING delivers a powerful realization. Your network is more crowded than you think. Every phone, laptop, smart TV, camera, printer, and IoT device becomes a possible entry point if left unsecured. In cybersecurity, visibility is protection, and FING provides exactly that. Number 2. Kali Nethunter Lite. This is where the conversation shifts from curiosity to credibility. Kali Nethunter Lite is not just another app. It is the mobile extension of Kali Linux, the most widely recognized penetration testing operating system used by cybersecurity professionals across the globe. Kali Linux itself powers red team operations, academic research, enterprise security testing, and government-level cyber defense exercises. That reputation alone often causes confusion and fear. So let's be absolutely clear. Important clarification. This is not the full Kali NetHunter attack platform. It does not perform automated or illegal hacking. It is designed as a learning, reference, and controlled interface tool. NetHunter Lite exists to educate, not to exploit. The app includes extensive cybersecurity documentation explaining real-world attack vectors, structured training references used in ethical hacking education, tool catalogs that explain what professional tools do without weaponizing them, legal and ethical resources emphasizing permission-based testing. It is commonly used by cybersecurity students learning how attacks are modeled, red team trainees preparing for controlled penetration tests, security researchers studying vulnerabilities in sandbox environments, professionals analyzing attack simulations to improve defensive strategies. Kali's core philosophy is simple but often misunderstood. To defend systems effectively, you must first understand how they are attacked. NetHunter Lite represents the disciplined side of hacking, where rules exist, permissions matter, and responsibility is non-negotiable. It reflects a world where cybersecurity is not about breaking laws, but about preventing breaches before criminals exploit them. This app doesn't turn users into hackers. It turns them into defenders who think like attackers. Number 1. Termux. Termux is the most powerful app on this list and without question, the most misunderstood. Not because it contains malware, not because it secretly attacks systems, but because it transforms a simple smartphone into a fully functional Linux command line environment. That alone is revolutionary. With Termux, users can run Linux-based packages in a controlled environment, learn scripting languages and automation logic, study programming concepts from the ground up, practice system administration fundamentals, simulate cybersecurity labs used in formal education. For many people around the world, Termux is their first exposure to Linux coding and system-level thinking. It is widely used in cybersecurity degree programs, programming and software development practice, automation and DevOps learning paths, ethical hacking labs, and capture the flag challenges. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Knowledge is neutral, intent is not. In the wrong hands, understanding systems can become a weapon. In the right hands, it becomes protection. Termux doesn't attack systems. It doesn't bypass security. It doesn't break into anything. What it does is far more powerful. It teaches users how systems actually work. And that understanding forms the foundation of both defensive cybersecurity, offensive exploitation. This is why ethics matter more than tools. Tools don't commit cybercrime. People do. Termux is proof that cybersecurity is not about banning knowledge. It's about guiding responsibility, enforcing legality, and choosing protection over exploitation. Legal warning. Ethical disclaimer. Using these tools on systems you do not own or systems where you do not have explicit written authorization is illegal in most countries around the world. Curiosity is not a legal defense, and technical skill does not grant permission. Cybercrime carries real-world consequences, not online myths. Arrests and criminal investigations, prison sentences that permanently alter lives. Severe financial penalties and asset seizure. Permanent criminal records that follow you for decades. These consequences affect careers, travel opportunities, education, and personal freedom. Everything discussed in this video exists for education and cybersecurity literacy, awareness of real digital threats, defensive security knowledge, ethical and lawful cybersecurity learning. Professional cybersecurity operates on consent, documentation, and responsibility. If you do not own the system and you do not have clear authorization to test it, then interacting with it crosses the line from learning into crime. There is no shortcut here. If you don't own the system or don't have written permission, don't touch it. Hacking has never truly been about breaking in. At its core, hacking is about understanding how systems function, how networks communicate, how software behaves, and where weaknesses emerge. What defines a person is not the knowledge they possess, but the choices they make with it. Every expert hacker reaches a crossroads: exploit or protect, abuse or secure, profit or responsibility. Cybersecurity is the conscious decision to use knowledge to defend, not destroy. If you want more real cybercrime stories, deep investigations into global hacks, and practical digital safety education you can apply in real life, Subscribe to Cybercrime Hub. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay protected.